What is up, everybody? It's your boy Splashman making a new video today. This one is a pretty interesting video because I'm going to be telling you guys a quick story. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but this story is about how I accidentally created a six-figure marketing agency. And I'm not making this video just to brag, but I'm just trying to show you guys what's possible when you know, I'm not even trying to be a motivational guy when I say when you put your mind into it, but just what happens once you start developing certain skills and start doing certain things differently. So let's get on with the video, and I hope you guys learned something today. So I actually bought Tai Lopez's social media marketing course. My mentor Brandon was an affiliate for it, so I bought it. That's when I got introduced to this whole internet marketing thing. I didn't know about Facebook ads before. I didn't know about online marketing or digital marketing in general, but I bought that course and I wanted to start my own agency, but I remember then I didn't really take action, right? It was just like a thought in my head, and I used to watch all the course videos. I was working on my website for a while. I was learning a lot, just going on Facebook groups, just trying to get as much information as possible. But the one thing I wasn't doing was taking action, right? So I guess my agency then failed. I don't know if you would call it failed or me just taking lack of action. So that happened. After that, what happened was I got introduced into drop shipping, right? And you guys know my story with drop shipping. I started, didn't make that much money, then eventually started making money, got a mentor, started making a lot more money. But along the way, when I was doing drop shipping, what happened was, I got all these skills. So I got the skill of Facebook ads, I got the skill of email marketing, I got the skill of, doing Instagram marketing, doing Instagram influencers, building Shopify stores. What basically happened with me was I was just becoming a person with all these other skills that I could apply to not only drop shipping and Shopify, but also other areas of my life. So in the beginning, I started working with different businesses on their Facebook ads. I started doing other email marketing work for different stores, and just using these skills outside of Shopify to make money and just, not have a job. But what happened recently was that I just came into a realization that a lot of people actually need some of these services. So especially email marketing, a lot of people are not doing email marketing, so let me go ahead and offer it as a service, right? So I did that. Started out with just doing it for some of my friends and people on my story. Slowly started reaching out to some e-com stores, reaching out to people that I knew are already having success with e-commerce. And then more towards the end of summer, I realized that I can create like a whole email marketing agency just off of this. I know a lot of people need this kind of service. A lot of people will see benefit from this service, me going ahead and doing email marketing for them, just because not many people talk about email marketing, and also it takes a long time to learn it and actually go ahead and test and just do different things to perfect it almost. So that's why, I just thought there's a gap in the market, let me go ahead, let me provide the service, right? So I did that. So then I created an agency basically, right? Like a marketing agency. It's a B2B business where I go ahead and do email marketing for other e-commerce stores, and I've actually also worked with personal brands before as well. But that's how my email agency came into full effect. So I was actually, doing pretty good with it. I guess you can say it started this September properly, and then October's been a good month. So in, let's say, less than 2 months, I created a six-figure marketing agency. I just told you guys my story. Let me tell you guys why it's important for you and what you can take away from my story and what I just said. A lot of people, they overthink stuff. Don't overthink. I still kind of have a problem here and there where I overthink, but for the most part, what you need to focus on if you're doing drop shipping, if you're learning anything, is building skills rather than all these other bullshit out there, right? Cool, it's cool that you're making content, and it's cool you want to build a personal brand or whatever, but I have no, I'm not trying to make fun of you, I'm not trying to shit on you. I'm just saying, focus on building high income skills that is important to the marketplace. I have a high income skill, which is email marketing, right? And I also know that my service is helpful to a lot of businesses, or at least e-commerce stores out there. Because of this, I'm able to create an agency, or just create this service that I can provide to people, just because this would help them, and they kind of are looking for it because they don't want to learn email marketing. So what I'm basically trying to say is build a high income skill, whether it comes to email marketing, Facebook ads, right? I didn't get lucky, but I came across email marketing. A lot of people are already doing Facebook ads, so I couldn't really get into the Facebook ads niche as easily. Also, I'm really good at email marketing because I've been doing it for a while, so it makes sense for me to go ahead and offer that as my main service. Another thing that helped me really turn this into a six-figure agency so quickly is definitely my personal brand. I actually talked about this in a different video, or not even a video, actual speech with my mentor Brandon Carter, and what I basically was talking about is that how I position my personal brand to be the email guy, right? And so it's in a way where the people are coming to me, clients are coming to me, and I have that bigger positioning because I'm the guy, I'm the authority in that situation. I still go out and reach out to people, but I always have the bigger positioning or the bigger leverage just because I'm known as the email guy. So those are two things that really helped me build a 6-figure agency very quick, and I almost say accidentally, right? Because even when I was doing dropshipping, I was always focused on creating skills rather than always thinking about money, which is cool. I was thinking long term, and I knew that the skills I learned from dropshipping, even though I did make money, that can be used elsewhere, right? I was doing email marketing for my old store that I started a year ago, but I only started offering as a service now because now I kind of feel more confident. I know much more about it, so it made more sense for me to offer as a service now. If there's one thing you can get away from this video, it is to start building skills, especially high income one. Build a personal brand, and when you're doing an agency, don't overthink it. Another thing you guys notice from my email marketing agencies, I only offer email marketing. It's very niche. But don't worry, I'm gonna get into like messenger marketing and different type of marketing as well, just because they do have good return and it does relate to my needs. Overall, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. As you guys see, my setup, I kind of changed it up a bit again. Got my cool ass lamp right there. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate your guys' support. Oh, I almost knocked over my lights. But hey, if you guys need anything, just hit me up on Instagram at splashmanpb. I'm out, guys. Have a great day. If there's any other videos that you guys want me to make, let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.